If you'd like to see me transform this Dollar Tree coffee mug into this lovely rhinestone embellished DIY gift, fabulous glam mug, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so I'm going to be using this very plain coffee cup and transform it into a very beautiful glamorous cup. Really quickly, I cut out the Chanel logos with my silhouette cameo, and then I sent it over to the cutter, and this is how the process looks, just to give you a little behind the scenes look at that. I cut out 2 different sizes to see which one I would like the best, and I think it was about 3 by 3 inches. So that didn't take long at all. And here it is. I'm going to go ahead and weed it out so you guys can see how that process goes as well. You'll want to carefully use a weeder. They're very sharp, so it's basically like a little pick. So you'll just carefully weed that out. You will need some transfer tape, so you can go ahead and put it on to the transfer tape and apply it onto your glass cup, coffee mug, or whatever it is that you decide to add it onto. I do have pre-cut vinyl at myroyalradiance.com on my website. I'm going to take some alcohol and just wipe off the surface of this cup to make sure it's clean, no dust, debris, or oil. You want to make sure your decal stays on there really good. So I'm going to make sure that I dry off the alcohol, and I'm just going to apply it. What you want to do is just kind of go with a good steady hand, kind of eyeball it, and just be sturdy as you can. You don't want it to be crooked. If it's crooked, then you may have to go ahead and take it off and reapply it. Mistakes happen. It's happened to me before, but I try my best to just go really steady. And I like to rub it down the middle and then rub it on the sides, kind of like that. It also helps if you cut slits, not into the actual design, but cut slits into the transfer tape. It just gives you some type of flexibility or something. So now it's on there. What you're going to do is take like an old gift card or like a smoothing tool and just smooth it on there carefully, and make sure you smooth it on there very thoroughly, because if you pull it off too soon, it won't stick to the cup. So you want to go ahead and pull that off just like so. I'm going to use these black rhinestones with some iridescent glass rhinestones. The black ones are 5mm. The iridescent are SS16, which is equivalent to almost exact to a 4mm. I'm using a wax pickup tool. Oh, I don't think I showed you the actual glue that I'm using. It's called Liquid Fusion. If you don't have Liquid Fusion, you could use what makes you feel comfortable. A lot of people like to use E6000. E6000 is very versatile. It's really good, but it's toxic. And just make sure you open up a window or something. This Liquid Fusion is about $13 on Amazon, and it says it's non-toxic, so I think it's a really good choice to go with. So you'll just see me adding on the rhinestones, just kind of tracing it out. It makes it very simple, and I think that it's a very, very classy mug. There's something about that black and that white. This is a DIY gift. A friend of mine has someone in her life who's just becoming a pastor, a lady pastor, and she likes Chanel and her favorite color is black, and she requested a fan. I've already uploaded the video of the blingy personalized fan. I'll show you at the end, but you want to check that video out too. It's a really, really cute DIY gift. It's so cute. I'm going to make myself one as well. So just finish checking out how I add on the rhinestones. I feel like this DIY is very simple. And if you want, you can make one as a gift to someone. There's some birthdays always coming up, right? Someone's always getting married. Mother's Day is coming up. It's always a reason to give someone a cute gift, or just because. Okay, so just continue to take your time and add on each rhinestone or pearl or whatever you decide to use. Pearls will be really pretty as well. And you just follow along the lines and you'll be finished before you know it. Just, you know, take your time. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this coffee mug. I absolutely love this mug. Actually, the original request was a black coffee mug because her favorite color is black. I couldn't find one, so I just went with the white one and asked her what she thought of it. And she said it was just fine and she really liked it. I love this. I think it would be cute too with a black coffee mug, and then you use white vinyl and then go over that with some iridescent rhinestones. Or, you know, they have white rhinestones as well. So this was really simple. I think this is a great beginner-friendly DIY, and it's absolutely luxurious. Like, look at it. Who wouldn't want to use that? Oh, look, remember I told you I also did a cute little portable mini fan? This is the fan. So you see how they kind of go hand in hand with the black rhinestones. I really like this. I don't use the black rhinestones that much, and they really look so cute here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, send it to someone who may be interested. And maybe if you have like a pop-up shop or a pop-up table that you're going to be getting prepared for, consider adding some coffee mugs to it. A lot of people drink coffee or they drink tea. So I think this will be great. And also, if you do gift baskets, add a cute little coffee mug to it. Or if you know someone who just has a really cool coffee cup collection, they may want to have something like this as well. So give that some thought. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. And hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye-bye.